ordered DPS is supposed to be here now. He's going to join us in just a little bit. But in the meantime and in between time, I want to get him a car review.
Very good.
Which one are we doing?
We're going to do the Honda Ridgeline.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, go for it. You can start.
Okay. So I got a chance to drive the 2024 Honda Ridgeline. It comes in these trim levels: the Sport, the RTL, the Trail Sport, and the Black Edition. The reviewed trim level is SE, all-wheel drive, Trail Sport. This is a mid-sized pick-em-up truck. Seats 5. Exterior changes from last model year. A few updates here and there, but nothing major. Exterior features: modern grille with a faux front skid plate on it. It's conservatively stamped doors and rear quarter panels, and also the taillights are conservative. If you like conservative, Honda is your brand. Dual exhaust below the black rear bumper. What I liked about it, the under-the-radar kind of styling. What could use improvement? Well, I think that they need to do a zoomy model. Does that make sense to you? A zoomy model. You know, gussy it up a little bit.
Oh, gussy it up, yeah.
You know,
technical term.
That's right, gussy it up. Interior highlights include a cool interior, very conservative again, functional but dated looking on the interior. Controls, straightforward, easy to use. Instrument cluster and screen graphics are spot on. What I liked about it, the new larger touchscreen by an inch this year. What could use improvement? If you're looking for a capable midsize and don't want to make a splash, this is your truck. And speaking of old school, it's got a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 280 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque. It's old school. Because everybody's going to turbocharged 4-cylinders these days. 9-speed automatic transmission. Now, it'll tow up to 5,000 pounds. Payload, 1,521 pounds. So it is capable. Gets 18 miles per gallon in the city, 23 on the highway for combined at 20. I got 22.5 miles per gallon over 279.8 miles. What I liked about it, plenty of power from the old school V6. What could use improvement? Offer a Turbo 4. Why not? You guys make IndyCar engines. You know how to do turbochargers. You know how to do 4-cylinder motors. Do it. Ride and handling, smooth. Car, SUV-like ride. This is where the Ridgeline has an advantage over other mid-sized trucks, I think, is the ride and handling. Pricing. Well, base trim price on this is $44,980. So this is a pricey vehicle. By the way, it has 7.5 inches of ground clearance, which isn't a whole bunch. Price is tested, $55,995. If you want the base model price, $39,750, the most expensive among its competitors, and they include the Chevy Colorado that starts at $29,500. The Jeep Gladiator goes for $37,895. I didn't know it was that pricey. And the Toyota Tacoma starts at $33,700. And that's my review of the 2024 Honda Ridgeline all-wheel drive Trail Sport.
You know, the earlier models, before they went to the separate bed, you know, when it was all one piece,
Yes.
you know, you still can't find them. I mean, when people buy this vehicle, they hang on to it forever and ever.
Yeah, you never see them on the used car lot.
No.
As a matter of fact, my cousin Steve and his wife, they had one for years and years and years. They bought it used. You couldn't tell it was used because the people that buy them take care of them.
Yes.
And matter of fact, I was talking to somebody the other day about Hondas, and somebody had one, had 337,000 miles, and it was still going.
Wow.
It was beat up a little bit, but
A little bit.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, we bought a Honda back when we were living in San Antonio because we were coming back and forth. And it had 225 something on it and some change when I gave it to one of the granddaughters to drive. And I don't know how many miles it had on it when she parted with it.
Gosh, back in, I want to say it was the late 80s, bought a Honda Accord. Back in the day when the little square box Honda Accord, when they were so popular, everybody was buying them. You couldn't find them. And I bought one from the dealership across from Sharpstown Mall, whatever the name of it was. And at this particular time, they didn't offer a leather interior. But if you wanted a leather interior, they had somebody that would upfit it with a leather interior for, I don't know what it was, $1,500.
Dealer installed.
Yeah. Well, actually, it wasn't a dealer. They farmed it out to somebody, and they did it excellent.
Subbed it out.
Yeah, you could never tell it wasn't a factory job. It was really nice, and really liked it.